efficiently functioning systems. It functions in a strictly regulated structure and is fully electronic in its operations. Stock markets are involved in capturing a multitude of information, such as the direction of the economy, the financials of the corporate sector, the socio political climate of a nation, and the geopolitical events. The stock exchange of a country shows the maturity of its corporate, comprising of manufacturing and service sectors. As these companies grow, they list their shares on stock exchanges, which helps them raise equity capital for further expansion and growth. There are four participants involved in the stock market. The first one is the exchange. The stock market is an avenue where investors trade in shares, bonds, and derivatives. This trading is facilitated by stock exchanges. In India, there are two primary stock exchanges on which companies are listed. One, the Bombay Stock Exchange, that is BSE, Sensex is its index, and two, the National Stock Exchange, NSE, Nifty is its index. They cumulatively list over 7,000 companies and facilitate trading in the listed stocks. An exchange infrastructure is also well regulated and efficiently managed through a network of institutions such as depositories, clearing corporations, clearing members, clearing banks, custodians, etc., in a very coordinated manner. Number two, the regulator, SEBI. Securities Exchange Board of India is the regulator of stock markets in India and ensures that security markets in India work in order. It lays down regulatory frameworks which exchanges, companies, brokerages, and other participants have to abide by to protect the investor's interests. The third participant is a stockbroker. A broker is an intermediary, it's a person or a firm that executes, buys, and sells orders for investors in return for a fee or a commission. And the fourth one is the investor. Investors need to open a demat account with the depository participants who are either authorized banks, securities companies, and brokers. The DPS, that is Depository Participant Services, maintains balances of stocks in such accounts. Thousands of fully automated and integrated broker terminals nationwide facilitate trading in these stocks.